Hello, welcome to my channel. My name is Rhoda. I'm mom to four wonderful children, and I live together with my husband and my kids here in Hong Kong. So today I'm going to show you how I clean my washing machine. Yeah, just what you saw right just before now was me writing down the things that I have to do this evening. And yeah, so of course I prepared some things for us to eat as dinner. This is what we call suya. Yeah, we call it suya in Nigeria. Basically, it's just cured beef. I put that in the oven, and I also prepare some water to boil some corn. Yeah, that's what we're going to be having for dinner this evening. Boiled corn with vegetables and, of course, the skewered beef. Okay, so I take out the corn from the fridge and just put them in the boiling water before I start put them in the water to boil, sorry, before I start cleaning the washing machine. I will also wash some plates that I used, some things that I used for preparing the seasoning for the beef, the skewered meat that I put in my oven. Sometimes it's good to just clear up the whole place, and I think every time it's good to do that. Just clean up the whole place before, starting on another task or chore. So after cleaning up the sink, I set out to, wash the to clean the washing machine. I just now you saw me putting on gloves. Yeah, because I'm going to be touching some things like baking soda. Well, yeah, the first thing that I do is to sprinkle some baking soda inside the washing machine, in the drum, and just let that sit there. And then after doing that, I will just go ahead and use some, uh, what's it called? Some multi-purpose cleaner that I have to spray around. You can see how dirty this soap compartment is. That is where you pour in your laundry detergent. It's quite dirty, so I take out the compartment for cleaning separately, and then I just spray this multi-purpose cleaner all over the washing machine, all the nooks and crannies in this washing machine. It's just going to work on the dirt, especially the ones that have stuck there. I think it's good for you to clean your washing machine, um occasionally, so that you will stop having some dirt that are really stuck. in a long time I haven't done this, but I've done it. I'm now used to doing this quite often. So it helps your clothes not to have, this kind of what's it called? Not to have lint. Those whitish things. Yeah, those things can be so annoying. So I think if you want your laundry to be clean and look good without having those lint on them, then you need to clean your washing machine from time to time. So yeah, I just opened this compartment. Unfortunately, I did not know that this washing machine does not have a pipe. So as soon as I tried opening that place, all the water that was stored in there just spilled, like poured out. You can see how dirty this place looks like. All kinds of things were inside this place when I opened it. Like I found 50-cent coin, um 20-cent coin, and 10-cent coin inside this place. I presume it would have gotten into there from someone's pocket. Yeah, so it's also good to check the pockets of your trousers or your clothing before you put them into the washing machine for cleaning. Anyway, yeah, so I use a skewer to, try to take out every single dirt inside that place. And yeah, that's it before I continue with the rest of the washing. So after using a brush to scrub that place, when I finished, spraying that cleaner and scrubbing it with a tiny brush, that's a cleaning brush, by the way. Anyway, yeah, so I just go ahead and use a towel to wipe it clean. That's what you can see me doing here. So using the clean towel and with some water and a little bit of um, cleaning liquid, I still go ahead to wipe the door of the washing machine and just all around the body and clean up everywhere just to make sure that it is clean. So the next thing would be to clean the this silicone material, silicone something, I don't know what to call that. Is it plastic or rubber? Yeah, you can see how dirty that is. Yeah, just to make sure I wipe out all the dirt inside there. I'm telling you, you would be amazed at the amount of mold that forms inside those spaces in that rubber thing. Yeah, so just make sure you clean that place properly, because that place there's always moisture in the washing machine, right? So that is why molds form there easily. But if you ignore it, it will just continue to grow, and in the end you don't even know whether you're actually washing your clothes or just adding more dirt to them. So yeah. So I replaced the soap compartment. I already washed it in the sink separately, and then I also replace the thing here, this valve or something. I don't know what, it's not valve. What do I call that? Well, the lid to that place. And so I just replace it. I already washed that one as well, and that's it. So the next thing I do after replacing all these things, I've finished cleaning the body and every other place, I will set it to you know um the highest temperature, that is I think 60 degrees, and then put some um, antiseptic liquid inside that soap compartment. Remember that I already have some baking soda in the drum of the washing machine, so and just allow it to run like that. It's going to now clean up everywhere, and the washing machine is going to be smelling so amazing. It's really nice. So by the time I'm done, my corn is ready. Can you feel that? So I just take everything out and just serve the food, and it's time for dinner. Yeah, this is such a simple dinner, but it was very wonderful. I also go ahead and serve the skewered meat. Are you feeling that meat? Oh, all right. Thank you very much, guys, for watching. Till I see you in my next video. Bye. And please, if you haven't been cleaning your washing machine, sorry, please get up and do it now. Stop procrastinating. Okay? Stop it. Stop deferring it. Get up and clean your washing machine. Up you go. Come on. All right. God bless you for listening to me and for watching my video. Thank you for staying up to this point. See you in my next video. Bye.